muffin with my muffin. I'm not lying, I'm just stunning with my love glue gunning. Just like a chick